Unboxing with Rosaprima. So when Rosaprima reached out to me, I was really excited to work with them. What I didn't expect was this huge box of beautiful blooms. OMG, you better work. I know we're not really supposed to pick favorites when it comes to flowers, but can I just pick everything? Everything is incredible. The smell in my house is amazing, and I can't wait to gift these boxes to my neighbors. I think I'm actually going to hold a few roses back for myself to enjoy. This has been such an incredible episode. If there's one thing I can say, the next time you order roses, make sure that you're asking for Rosaprima. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining me for this episode of Unboxing with Rosaprima. I hope you love everything and stay tuned. There's going to be many more unboxing episodes.